Hello you beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm LuceStephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on so that you don't miss any of my future videos. I'm uploading on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, but as you can tell by today's video, we are getting into advent calendar season. Halloween is like literally round the corner as well, so there's going to be bonus videos left, right and centre. So today's video I'm going to be unboxing the brand new Makeup Revolution and Superdrug advent calendar. This retails for £40 in Superdrug and there's 25 days in here, so I just asked Siri and Siri worked it out for me. It's £1.60 per day, so we need to make sure that each product in here is worth that price tag for us. You all know by now that I work for Revolution. I do very kindly have Christmas samples this year because of my job. So I haven't actually paid for this, but obviously, as always, my opinions will always be honest, regardless. And like, there's no way I could lie anyway. What am I going to be like? Oh my god, yes, a mirror, I love it. When all the previous shows have been like, we don't need mirrors in advent calendars. You know what I mean? You would be able to tell. So, as always, I'm going to be truthful. You know what I mean? Let's get this bad boy open. If you're loving this makeup, I don't know if it'll already be up yet or not, but it's actually my first review of Grease and a Revolution's collection. And then this is what the bad boy looks like, and let's start with day one at the top. Day one is a black box with a little pink number 1 on it. Ooh, and we're starting off with a lip liner for day one. This is the lip liner in White Wedding. Let's do a little swatcheroonie. Ooh, nice, like a nudie pinky colour. Moving on to day two, we have another skinny one. Ooh, that one feels a little bit heavy. So day number 2 is a clear brow gel. Just looks like this, just a little cute applicator. And the good thing obviously with it being clear is you can use it on any like eyebrow hair colour. You know what I mean? So personally, I think the first 2 days have been good in regards to like the £1.60 price tag. Maybe the eyebrow thing might be a little bit too small, but it's still, if somebody said £1.60 for that, I'd still be happy to pay it. Then moving on to day number 3, we have, ooh, there's no noise in this one. Ooh, okay, we have another lip liner. This one is in Chauffeur Nude. Let's do it next to the other one. Okay, so this one is more of like a, I'm going to show you up close so you can see. So White Wedding is the one that's closest to my finger over here. That one is a bit more of like a, you can't really see it on here, it's like more like rosy, bright pink, and that one's more like nude pink. I don't know if my camera's showing that well or not, but that is day number 3. So we've got 2 lip liners and a brow gel so far. £1.60 for a lip liner is banging, so I'm very happy with that. Moving on to day number 4. Ooh, okay, so we have a clear shimmer. A clear shimmer lip gloss. This one's like one of them squeezy tubes. These ones, by the way, are really good if you've got like a lip combo on, but you don't want to ruin the inside of like your gloss. These ones are really good because obviously the applicator, you squeeze it out and then apply it. So it means that you're not getting it like all like icky inside here with like different lip combinations. So yeah, if you're somebody who loves a lip combination and loves finishing it off with like a clear sparkly gloss, that would be so good for that because it means you're not going to get it all icky inside. So that was day number 4, and that's like a full size product, so I'm happy with that one. And then day number 5, I can't even find it. Oh, there. It's like a little skinny one hidden. Ooh, I think this is going to be a brush because normally when it has the little paper, ooh, I've just managed to pull it out without pulling the paper out. I don't know if you can see paper inside, but we have a like little flat applicator brush like this. I like these for like underneath my brow bone, my inner corner. You know me, I like applying my shimmers with my finger, but this would be really good if you want to like spot conceal. Like I've got a beast of a spot here. If you want to like really pack on and spot conceal, it's really good for that. So that's like and it's nice that it's a full size brush, not like a little mini one. Ooh, so number 6 is, oh my god, it's a square, but it's really long. I was expecting it to be like half that size. Ooh, okay, and then you open it. Oh, it's a mini. Oh my god, it's a mini translucent baking powder. That is absolutely adorable. I'll show you a full size one because I've got them in my drawer next to me. This is a different colour, but just so you can see the size difference. The most adorable thing ever. So yeah, you get a translucent baking powder, a little mini one. Well, I say a little, it's actually not. You still get 7 grams worth of product in this. And then for day 7, I think this will be an eyeliner. Yeah, we've got a black eyeliner pencil. Literally can't go wrong with a black, like the pigment's really good as well. Look at this. So I'm just making sure I'm actually like black. So that is day number 7. Again, I'd happily pay like £1.60 for a black eyeliner. Oh, excuse me, black eyeliner. Then moving on to day 8, which is a little cute one. A little cute square one. This is a little sponge. Little sponge. And then for day 9, oh my god, I was not expecting that. You've got like a full pair of tweezers. Okay. I'm actually quite happy with that. Normally I'm a bit like, sometimes I'm a bit iffy with tweezers. I don't really like nail files, so if there's a nail file in here, it's not my vibe. But I always get through tweezers so much. And Blake always pinches them as well, so I'm happy to have an extra pair. And again, for £1.60, you can't go wrong. Then we have day number 10. I think this is a super dewy blusher. This is insane. Like, this is like a full-size super dewy blusher. What? This is in the shade Flushing For You. So it's a shade that's in our normal super dewy range. If you haven't tried it before, the pigmentation is absolutely amazing. A little bit goes such a long way with this. You can build them up as well, and it gives you that like kind of natural radiant flush. And that colour is beautiful. It actually goes really well with the lip liners. But a full-size super dewy blusher behind one door, which is meant to be £1.60 that you've paid for that door, that's insane. I'm literally looking to see how much super dewy blushes are, because that's actually insane. They're normally £5.99. And you're getting it in the advent calendar for £1.60? No way. Is it the same amount of product as well? It's literally the same amount of product as well, so it's not even like they've just made a smaller tub of it. You get 15ml in this and in the normal £5.99 one. For day 11, we have a bigger size box. Yeah, this is the one where it's a mirror. It's just not for me, lads. It's just not for me. And we have another full-size brush. This one's like a little angled one that you could use for eyeliner, you could use for your brows, whatever you fancy. That is day number 12. And then day 13 is a little square one. And this one is a highlighter in Just My Type, which just looks like this. Let's do a little swatcherooning. Ooh, she's blinding. That is absolutely stunning and blinding. Like, wow. Wow. Of course, like I always say, and I said every single year for advent calendars, it is very, very difficult to get advent calendars, highlighters, blushes, bronzers that match every single person. So I think I mentioned this in another advent calendar unboxing that I haven't uploaded yet, I think. But I mentioned that maybe to actually call the product like a multi-use shadow or something, so that it's not just branded as a highlighter, like it could be a large kind of like eyeshadow instead, or to do like palettes, so you have at least like 3 or 4 choices of highlighter, blusher, bronzer, etc. So it actually is universal and everyone can use it. Moving on to the next one. Sorry about my little rant. I'm moving on to day number 14. It's another super dewy blusher. So this one is in the shade You Got Me Blushing. So we get the other one out from day 10. So we have Flushing For You and then You Got Me Blushing. See, for this, I think the colours that they picked for this is perfect, because we have like a slightly deeper one and a slightly lighter one, so it can match more skin tones. This, perfect. Absolutely obsessed. That's like a day in one of Revolution's advent calendars. Like, that's just so good. So yeah, the new one that we have is the shade You Got Me Blushing. Let me do a swatcheroonie of this one. And this is just what a light swatch looks like. And again, worth every single penny, that door. Amazing. Still like so shocked that that's in there. Wow. So that is day number 14. And then we have day 15. Ooh, so we have a dewy primer. And this is 8ml, so it's not like a small one, like quite a decent size. Should I do a little swatch? Why not? Oh, it's got the little wrapper on. I'll leave it. I don't want to open it when I'm not going to be using it straight away on my face. But that is, yeah, day 15. A nice dewy primer to go with our super dewy blushes as well. And then for day 16, we have a powder puff. This is so soft. I would have loved for that to have been day 20 and have that on my birthday, but beggars can't be choosers and all that. So yeah, £1.60 for a really good quality powder puff. Yes, thank you very much. For day 17, we have, ooh, that is beautiful. A caramel lip gloss. It really reminds me the colour of a peaches and cream one that I had before. Actually, no, when I was swatching it, it doesn't. Just in the tube, it looks that kind of colour. That is what, ooh, that is beautiful, what it looks like. Oh my god, look how shiny it is. Look at the colour. Oh my god, the colour is beautiful. That is so nice. And again, it has that doe foot applicator, which I think, not doe foot, what's that called? Squeezy applicator? I don't know what the right word is for it. But obviously it has that applicator where you could use it really, really well with lip combos, which is what I would always use glosses for, to be fair. I never really wear gloss by itself. I know it's kind of like the in thing at the moment, but yeah, never really do. We have a skinny one for day 18. It looks like another type of pencil. Ooh. Yeah, it's a medium brown brow pencil. And it's so nice that it's a cool toned one instead of like a warm toned one. That's just what it looks like. It probably looks like it'd go really well with my brows, to be fair. So that is that one. But again, obviously I totally understand that it's not going to match everybody, that one. And then day 19 is practically like right next to day 18, so it must be a pencil as well. Yeah, we have a Queen Light Pink pencil. A lot of pencils so far. You could do like a pencil and gloss combo, that sparkly clear gloss. I know that's like all the thing at the moment, but again, I like a gloss with a lip combo, but I'm just not a massive just gloss and lip liner kind of gal, but that's what that one looks like. And I've noticed a lot of the lip liners that we've got this year have all been like pinky toned, which obviously goes really nicely with the collection. But would have been nice maybe to have like a red in there, or just have like a deeper, maybe brown colour so it's a bit more universal as well. And then moving on to day 20, which is is my favourite day because it's my happy birthday. So let's see, it better be good, it better not be a bad one for my birthday. Ooh, it's a lip gloss. Oh, it's a sparkly pink one. Oh my god, that's stunning. Oh, stop. Wow. Oh my god, that is beautiful. Oh, can you see that? Wow. Well, that's staying on my lips because that is bloody gorgeous. Wow. So yeah, that is the lip gloss in Evolve. That would pair perfectly with any of them pink lip liners that we've opened so far. I can't believe that was day 20. Buzzing. We've got a longer one for day 21. And we have another brush. For this, I feel like I wouldn't personally get that much use out of it. Like, you could use it for concealer. Some people probably would use it like, I don't know, is it a bit big to carve underneath your brows? Pat it out. Pat your eye primer out. Yeah, just, obviously you just have like certain brushes that you do and don't use personally, and that's just one that I don't personally use. But that's day 21. Then we have day 22, which looks like another one of these little compacts. Yes, we have a contour powder in the shade Warm, which again, I feel like this should be more, instead of labeling them as highlighter, contour, etc., I think it should just be labelled as like a multi-use shadow. I know I've already said that, but just to re-amplify my point. Next one we have, oh, it sounds really heavy in there, is number 23. I'm actually using my blade to open it because it's like, oh, we have another lip gloss. Oh my god, this lip gloss. Beautiful. This one is like a lighter one, like a lighter pink sparkly one. This one's in the shade Hope. Oh, that's a cute name. And then this is what it looks like. So sparkly, and it is like practically like a clear gloss, but it just has like a tint of pink to it. I honestly can't get over how juicy my lips look with that. I need to put it in the middle, that gloss. And we have second from last before we open the big bad boy. I wonder if this is going to be another gloss because it's very tight in the packaging again. Oh, no, it's not. It's a lip oil in the shade Love. So again, it's like clear with like a slight tint of pink to it. But a nice lip oil. I wonder if it smells of anything. Ooh. Oh my god, stop. That's like, oh my god, what is that thing that it smells like? It's like, oh my god, like cherry or fruity or sweetie. Oh my god. I wasn't expecting that to smell so nice. And then moving on to the big bad boy for the end. Obviously the palette that's in here is exclusive, like some of the other products in here. This is the Reloaded Jewel Tones palette. And this year, it's so bougie. They've put like little R's in the eyeshadows. I don't think they did it last year. Oh, I don't know. It was a long time ago. Maybe they did. But it looks really bougie anyway. And then this is what it looks like. So we have like some warm tones in here. We have like a little pop of pinky purpley. We have some neutrals. We have quite a lot of shimmers in here as well. And then we also have that black to kind of deepen things up. That's really, really nice. So yeah, that is everything that is in Superdrug's calendar. Obviously, this is so worth £1.60. I do think the majority of the doors have definitely been worth the price tag when you kind of break it down into how much you pay for each door. The only thing that I personally would like to swap would be not to have mirrors and to have a better selection of brushes in there if they are going to be featured. Because obviously the brushes are full size, which is absolutely amazing. You all know I'm not a big fan of like mini brushes. However, obviously the ones in here are full size. I just wish that there were brushes that I would use more often, if that makes sense. But apart from that, I absolutely love what's in here. I think we didn't need 3 pink lip liners. We could have had a brown, we could have had a pink, and we could have had a red. Or if you just didn't want to do red, because obviously the whole theme's pink, we could have had like a pink and a brown instead, and maybe put like a lipstick in there to do like a little lip combo. But you know what I'm like, I love a lip liner, lipstick and gloss combo. I just can't help myself. But yeah, that is everything. I'd love to know, what do you think? Do you think it's worth the money? Are you going to pick it up? Please leave your comments down below. Let's have a little chit chat. If there's any other advent calendars that you've seen that you're like, please Lucy, I really am tempted to buy this. Can you buy it? Check it out, do a video so I know whether it's worth the money or not. Please leave a comment down below because I am looking for advent calendars to purchase. Thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you in another video very soon. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Oh my god, what was that just fell? Oh, just there's like these little things that go on the side of my arm, and every now and again one just falls out. It's just like a thing to cover up the screws. It just falls out. That's what it was. Jumped up my skin. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you in a video very, very soon. Bye.